Okay, back with some quick math. This is a simultaneous equation. This question comes from a grade 10 paper, I think. Okay, so we will just have a look at this one quickly. 2.3.2 is more conventional. Okay, so that's normal. We'll follow the set steps that we have. Set steps, make x or y the subject, substitute it into the other equation, solve for your singular variable, and then substitute back to find your other variable. So we'll do all of those things. But now 2.3.2 is also very easy. It's just maybe it's not conventional. It's not asked in a normal way. We maybe didn't see the question before. But what we can maybe identify is that this looks very close to this, right? It looks like the square root of both of those terms, but a plus. Okay, so then maybe you can recognize that that can be factorized. So let's factorize that over there. So I'm going to say this is going to be two sets of brackets equals to 171, and in the one bracket the square root of the first, so it's going to be 2x, square root of the last, so that's going to be y. Okay, hopefully we still remember how to do the difference of two squares, and then the one gets a plus and the other one gets a minus. So thus we should have identified as the difference of two squares. That's what we just did. Two brackets look exactly the same, only difference is the sign in the middle, right? Square root of the first, square root of the last, plus and minus. Okay, then what we can also see is that this bracket over here, they told us is equal to 9. This bracket over here is what they want us to find. Okay, so then let's just go substitute those. So we'll say 2x plus our y, right, times, we said this whole thing is equal to 9. They told us that 171. So let's divide both sides with this 9 to get rid of our 9. So our 2x plus y is equal to the 171 divided by 9, which is going to be 19. Okay, so that's 2.3.1. Well, let's go straight into 2.3.2 as well. So there they want us to solve simultaneously. So let's take our second equation. Let's take this one over here, and let's make y the subject. So the 2x I'm going to subtract on both sides. So I will end up with minus y equals 9 minus my 2x. Get rid of our negative, so we're going to divide everything with negative. So I'm going to have y is equal to, I'm going to write my x term first. So it's going to become a positive 2x, and it's going to be a minus 9. So this is equation number, let's say 1. And our other equation over there, I'm just going to write it again, the same 4x squared minus, was it y squared, equals to 171. So this is let's call this equation 2. So I'm going to substitute 1 into 2. So what I'm saying is this is y, so I'm going to take y and I'm going to go put it in y's place. Okay, so this is going to be 4x squared minus, what is y? Y is 2x minus 9. This needs to get squared. All of this is equal to 171. Okay, so this is 4x squared. I'm not going to write my bracket out twice. If you don't know how to do a bracket squared, then I would say write your bracket out twice and do the whole FOIL thing. I'm going to do it in one step. Okay, so I'm going to say the first one squared is going to be 4x squared. The last one squared is going to be positive 81. And then it's first times last. So 2 times 9 is 18 minus, well, times 2. So it's first times last times 2. So it's 2 times 9, 18 times 2 is going to be 36x. Okay, where did I get this? Okay, if you don't know where I got this, I took this bracket and I multiplied it by itself. So I said 2x minus 9 multiplied by another 2x minus 9. So that times that, that times that, this times this, this times this. I did that whole thing. I just did it quickly, and that gave me that bracket that I have there. My negative is going to multiply in, so this is going to be 4x squared minus 4x squared minus the 36, so it's going to become positive 36x, and that's going to give me a minus 81, all equal to 171. Okay, so let's see, these nicely disappear. So I'm going to have 36x. I'm going to take this and I'm going to add it on both sides. So I'm going to have the 171 plus my 81. So it's going to be 36x is equal to what, the 252. Let's check on the calculator. 171 plus 81, 252. Divide both sides with your 36. So x is going to equal to 7. And if x is 7, so we're going to take our x and we're going to go put it back into this equation over there. So we're going to say 2 times x. So y is equal to 2 times x minus the 9. So that's going to be 2 times 7 is 14 minus 9 is going to be 5. So we have the value of x and we have the value of y. Great.